What's going on, everybody? It's Mike, Real Low Dad. Today was actually going to be kind of fixing this back here. This nice turnaround circle that, or radius, whatever you want to call it, that Connor's made riding his bikes. But before I started back here, I was like, let's get the mailbox cleaned up. The tiger lilies are already starting to bloom like they always do late February. But let's kind of freshen that edge up a little bit, rake out any of the dead material, and get that ready for mulch. And that actually turned into the entire project for today. So here we go. So starting out, we were just going to re-edge this, rake out all the dead stuff, but then I noticed some stuff. So this right here is going to be a problem. Going back to real mowing the front, you see that this has been recessed due to repeated ridings from the bike, going over this one corner, dropping everything down. This whole area has sunk because of that. But because I'm using a natural cut edge, I'm gonna have to put something in here in its place, some edging or whatnot, temporarily to hold back any soil or sand until grass can reestablish itself here and the root structure holds that more firmly. So to build this area back up, so we're not hitting this, have this piece of fiberglass edge in here. Pretty good stuff. I've used it all over. But we're going to put it in here. Let's just see. Okay, perfect. I have a long enough piece. And the ground's actually soft enough. Saw it in place. We're going to get it up there. Going to have slightly over the concrete. Then it stakes in with these metal stakes. Super easy. Now a trick with these, if you have a landscape blade and you're doing something like this, your blade will hit this, it will scare the piss out of you. So angle them that way, it's a little bit more forgiving. Gentle love taps, because this is a big old framing hammer. There we go. Now for a little bit of added support, well, we're going to backfill just a little bit with some stuff that I ripped out in cleaning up this bed. So we have this now from the high point to the concrete. Allow us to regrade this and give us a smooth transition. You need that when you're real mowing. Okay, to help build this up, pulled in a little bit of topsoil I had, then just some sand I had. And it's leaking out of both ends there, yippee. And we're just gonna kind of mix this up some. Not concerned about what the ratio is. Not concerned about being a little high right here. That'll get blended in here in a minute. So I raked those little grooves in there. This isn't the best stuff in the world. It was on clearance for $9, but just a little perennial ryegrass mix. Yes, there's weed stuff in there. Do I care? No. And the reason is, the front yard, going back to real mowing, and Bermuda. I got to spray all this stuff out anyway. So this here has a better shot of germinating right now, being that it's the end of February. Now we'll lightly tamp for that little seed to soil contact. So the front mailbox is now fixed, but we still have to do something about this. Let me tell you what I'm thinking, and I would like to have your all's thoughts and input down below. What I was going for is I do have some pavers right over here, and I'd like those to extend the rest of the way. Inflation has creeped up where those used to be about $6.50 to $7. They're now 10, and I think based on previous math, I need about 30 of them. So that's pretty pricey. To prevent this from happening in the future, because it's been filled in 3 times, I want to add some life to the side piece. She doesn't get a lot, and frankly, I'm going to bring back full bush. So I'm thinking of some shrubberies. Nothing fancy. I'm going to transplant some of the stuff from the backyard, where I'm going to get some verticality here near the fence, and then have it go down to lower heights somewhere in this area, and then we'll have the walkway going all through here. So this is going to be a mixture of evergreens, or evergreen shrubs, and then ornamental grasses. Maybe I'll throw some annuals in for the mix through this area. But yeah, let me know what you think. What would you do to side piece if you had a side piece? And there goes my hair. So that means this video is over. And thank you all for watching. Subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, and we'll see you all next time.